Welcome to the world of birds, where every flap of a wing tells a fascinating story. Let's explore some amazing facts about these feathered friends that make them so special. Did you know birds are the only animals that have feathers? These special feathers help them stay warm, fly, and look beautiful to attract mates. Birds are like sky acrobats. Their light bones and strong muscles let them soar through the air. Some birds zoom fast like rockets, while others glide gracefully like kites. Nest building is like building a cozy home for birds. They use sticks, grass, and even mud to make safe places for their eggs and babies. Birds are smart hunters. They use their beaks and claws to catch tasty snacks like bugs, fish, or even seeds and berries. Birds are social creatures too. They make friends, have families, and sometimes even talk to each other in their own bird language. As the day ends, birds find cozy spots to rest. They've had busy days exploring and surviving in the wild. Until tomorrow, little feathered friends.